Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we're in this 2015 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive. So I might have mentioned before, guys, in this vehicle, we do have an AC leak. We believe it to be an AC leak. We're having some trouble finding it. But today we have our Icon Professional Refrigerant Leak Detector for R134A and R1234YF. So we're going to be testing it out today. We did a visual inspection pretty much all over the vehicle. We did find a place underneath toward the back where we believe that we have an AC leak. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. Before we do, we're going to take it in the engine bay where I know that I've dropped, or where I know that there is some refrigerant, and we're going to see and test it out, see how it does. And then I'm going to go underneath and hopefully check that area for the leak, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride for that. So anyway, guys, like I said, we believe we have a leak. I'm not really big on AC work, but we're trying to do what we can here before it gets taken to an actual shop. So we're going to just see what we could do. If we find the leak, we might be able to fix it, but we'll wait and see from there. So anyway, guys, the point of this video is just to try out basically our Icon, our new Icon tool, and we'll go from there. So without further ado, let's check out the tool. Okay, so we have our Icon Professional Refrigerant Leak Detector. We just did an unboxing on this not too long ago. We're going to go ahead and take it out. There is our tool. Go ahead and take it out. And we're going to turn it on, and we're going to wait for it to warm up. It's got 25 seconds, so we don't have to bore you. We'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so we have it on, sensitivity is on low, and it's searching. And what we did was we came over here and took off our service port. We know for sure that we have some refrigerant in that service port. So we're going to go ahead and push our probe around that area. And as we can see, we got the probe on it, but nothing's happening. So we're going to kind of stick it inside. Still nothing's happening, so we're going to raise the sensitivity. We're going to put it to high, and then we're just going to push it right back in. And now we have an actual reading. See if we can get that going again. And there we have another reading. So as we could see, it does work. It is reading refrigerant. Like I said, or I might have failed to mention, our system that we're dealing with right now is going to be the R1234YF. So now we're going to jack up the vehicle, get underneath, and check out that area where I believe it's leaking. So we'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so let me see if I can. It's a hit and miss, but we get a little bit of a hit right in here. Let's see if I can make it do it again. I don't know if you heard it, but it kind of did a small double beep. Oops. Let's see if I can get it free one more time. All right, guys. So there you have it. Unfortunately, we didn't find the leak, but we did show you the new Icon professional refrigerant leak detector in action. So there's a little overview of how it works. If you guys would like a more in-depth video, put it in the comment section below and we'll definitely do a more in-depth video on it. It's a pretty cool tool. First time using it. I've only used it just this time for, I don't know, we were down there for probably about 30 minutes. Pretty cool tool. Pretty impressed with it. Hopefully you guys were able to see. We were underneath the vehicle toward the middle, just past the transmission, and it was right above the axle, or I'm sorry, the drive shaft. We did get a couple of hits. Those were not accurate, let's just put it that way. I think what had happened was some oil was dropping into it. As you guys can see, it was kind of oily up there. It does say if any kind of solvents or anything falls into the probe, it will give a reading. So I think that's what was happening, because after we reset it, we kind of wiped it down a little bit up there in that area, and we went over it. We swept it again a couple times, and we didn't get no more readings. So I think that's what happened. We did have the sensitivity level up high. So I think we were just getting a misreading. I guess that's the best word we can describe. It was a misreading. So we scanned over a couple more areas in that vicinity and came up nothing. So anyway, guys, the point of this video, I was really wanting just to check out that area, and I was also wanting to show you guys the new Icon refrigerant leak detector in action. If you guys watched my unboxing video or reveal video I did on that, I mentioned that I had a leak detector, but a cheap one from Amazon. So guess what? Bonus, I'm going to show it to you guys right now. So it came in this little packaging here, and if we take it out, this is what it looks like. Very halogen leak detector. There's the part number. Got this off Amazon a long time ago. Just wanted something cheap just to have. Never really had a use for it. I think we used it one time. But anyway, you turn it on. And as you can see, let me flip this around. So as you can see, you can have different sensitivity level here. And then it kind of does the same thing. Once it detects a refrigerant, it just starts beeping. Beep, 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 beep. So never really used it. I think we got this for like $15 on Amazon. Like I said, never really used it, so I can't talk too bad about it. There you go. 134A. So I can't talk too bad about it. I don't know what you guys think in the comment section below. Have you guys ever tried one of these cheap ones from Amazon? How well do they work? The battery container doesn't even stay completely down. But anyway, guys, I thought it'd be funny to show you guys this. This was the original leak detector we bought. Don't even know why I bought it, to be honest with you. Just in case if I needed something, I would at least have a little something to use. And I guess that's why we bought it. But anyway, guys, we're going to wrap it up. That is a real quick look and I guess first time usage of our new Icon professional refrigerant leaker. So I don't know, guys. Put your what do you guys think? Put your comments in the comment section below. You guys think it's a cool tool? You think it's a waste of money? If anybody out there actually has the tool and has used it, what's your guys' thoughts? Good, bad? Let me know in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, there you have it. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. A lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers, so if you guys haven't already done so, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.